my catering gurus. I know you guys definitely looking forward to the information I got in store. It's on how to start a catering business from home, and this is, catering 101. So definitely stay tuned to everything that I gotta say. So I'm definitely keeping it real about the field and what you need to know, the ins and outs. And please don't forget to subscribe and also to ding the bell. But let's get to the video. All right, see ya. Get business shirts. Get things that got your name on it. See, my name is right here. Chef KC, Chopping Board Catering. Get your name on your shirt. Get your name and your business on your shirt. I got a slogan on the back of my shirt, just to catch an eye, catch people's eye. But this is how you look professional. You want to look professional, get, your logos on your shirt. My wife has a logo on her shirt in front of it, but get different types. You may be indoors, so you might want to have a nice black and white. Get some vests, to put on, and serve. You might even want to go as far as doing a tie, a black tie, a white dress shirt with a vest, black vest. Very, very, very professional. Have your staff serving in those type of serve in that professional look. Because not only your food must be good, you must look good to them. If you're looking all dirty and dingy, and worried about having a fro hawk with a with a beard, unshaven, they ain't gonna ask you back. You're gonna look dirty to them. So they may feel their food is dirty, You may look ghetto to them or hood to them, scaring off, they guests. So look professional, Don't forget to get, you get regular shirts, get the names written across your shirt, but make sure you have some shirts. Black, blue, make sure you switch up the color. You see I got black lettering on a white shirt. It stands out. I have another one that's a blue shirt with orange lettering on it, because it stands out. Because people don't be squinting looking at your name. So don't forget to get your shirts, t-shirts, and polo shirts, excuse me. But